What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Budget Buying, where we bring you the best tools to make your life easier. Today, we're checking out the top 5 best motorcycle scissor lift that help you handle maintenance with ease and safety. Let's get started. Starting off our list at number 5, we have the Gaolly Motorcycle Scissor Lift. The Gaolly Motorcycle Scissor Lift is a dependable and practical tool designed to make motorcycle maintenance more efficient and secure. Built with solid steel construction, it offers impressive strength and stability, supporting up to 1,200 pounds with ease. This robust design ensures that even heavier motorcycles can be lifted safely, providing confidence during repairs, cleaning, or routine servicing. A standout feature of this lift is its extra-wide platform, measuring 9.06 by 14.57 inches. The larger surface area creates better contact with the motorcycle, improving balance and stability while in use. To further enhance safety, the platform is equipped with a high-quality rubber pad that helps prevent slipping or sliding during lifting, keeping the bike firmly in place. Durability is another key aspect of the Gaolly Motorcycle Scissor Lift. Its solid steel frame is finished with a black powder coating that resists oil, grease, and dirt. This protective layer not only maintains a clean appearance, but also extends the lifespan of the tool, making it suitable for long-term use in garages or workshops. The lift features a versatile height range, adjustable from 3.5 inches to 14.75 inches. This flexibility allows it to accommodate a variety of motorcycles, including street bikes, cruisers, and adventure touring models. Whether performing minor adjustments or more involved maintenance, the adjustable height ensures convenient access to different parts of the bike. Ease of use is built into the design. The lift comes with a 7/8 socket and a specially designed crank handle, allowing users to raise the motorcycle smoothly with minimal effort. By simply rotating the handle, the lifting process becomes quick and controlled, reducing strain and saving time. Overall, the Gaolly Motorcycle Scissor Lift combines strength, stability, and user-friendly operation, making it an essential addition for motorcycle owners seeking a reliable lifting solution. Coming in at number 4, the Mechinhub Motorcycle Scissor Lift. The Mechinhub Motorcycle Scissor Lift is designed to provide a dependable and efficient solution for motorcycle maintenance, repair, and storage. Built with heavy-duty steel, this lift offers exceptional strength and durability, ensuring long-term reliability even under demanding conditions. Its powder-coated finish adds an extra layer of protection, making the surface resistant to rust, oil, and dirt, while allowing for easy cleanup after use. Engineered with stability in mind, the lift features a wide top platform measuring 9.18 by 14.6 inches, creating a secure and balanced contact area for a variety of motorcycles. The inclusion of 0.2-inch thick, non-slip rubber pads enhances grip and protects the bike from scratches or movement during lifting. To further improve safety, 2 reinforced ratchet straps help keep the motorcycle firmly in place throughout the entire process. With a lifting range from 4 to 14.17 inches and a maximum load capacity of up to 1,200 pounds, this scissor lift is suitable for handling a wide range of motorcycles and powersports vehicles. It accommodates not only standard bikes, but also motocross models, ATVs, and even snowmobiles, making it a versatile tool for enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Ease of operation is a key feature of this lift. It comes equipped with both a ratchet wrench and a fixed wrench, allowing users to effortlessly raise their motorcycle to the desired height. For added convenience and speed, the integrated ratchet socket can be used with an electric drill, turning the lifting process into a quick and efficient task. The foldable design enhances portability and reduces storage space, making it practical for both garage use and transport. Combining strength, stability, and convenience, the Mechinhub motorcycle scissor lift delivers a reliable lifting solution tailored for a wide range of motorcycle applications. At number 3, we have the Shmqysy motorcycle scissor lift. The Shmqysy motorcycle scissor lift is designed to deliver reliable performance and convenience for motorcycle maintenance and repair. Built with reinforced heavy-duty carbon steel, this lift offers exceptional strength and durability, supporting up to 1,500 pounds with ease. Its robust construction ensures stability when working with a wide range of vehicles, including cruisers, touring bikes, and ATVs. A key feature of this lift is its upgraded professional bearing system, which reduces friction during operation. This improvement allows for smoother lifting and lowering, minimizing the physical effort required to raise heavy motorcycles. The adjustable lifting height, ranging from 3.9 inches to 14.6 inches, provides flexibility for various maintenance tasks, making it suitable for both routine servicing and more detailed mechanical work. Safety and protection are also thoughtfully integrated into the design. The top platform is equipped with a thicker double-sided rubber pad that helps prevent scratches while keeping the motorcycle securely in place. Additionally, the bottom anti-slip rubber pads enhance stability and protect the floor surface, ensuring a firm grip during use. Portability is another advantage of this scissor lift. With a built-in handle, it is easy to carry and move between different work areas, whether in a garage or at the track. Its compact folded size of 14.8 by 9.1 by 3.9 inches allows for convenient storage, making it an efficient choice for those with limited space. Combining strength, smooth operation, and practical design, the Shmqysy motorcycle scissor lift is a dependable tool for motorcycle enthusiasts and mechanics alike. Next up at number 2 is the Vevor motorcycle scissor lift. The Vevor motorcycle scissor lift is a practical and reliable solution for riders who need a stable platform for maintenance and cleaning tasks. Built with strength and durability in mind, this lift jack has been tested to support up to 1,100 pounds, making it suitable for a wide range of motorcycles, including street bikes, cruisers, and adventure touring models. It serves as a dependable companion in any garage or repair setup where safe lifting is essential. Operation is straightforward and requires minimal effort. With a simple rotation of the detachable metal handle, the lift can be raised smoothly without the need for additional tools. The adjustable height range, from 3.7 inches to 13.8 inches, allows users to position their motorcycle at a comfortable working level, making routine servicing and detailed repairs much more convenient. Safety plays a key role in the design. The sturdy steel X-frame provides balanced support, while the central shaft keeps the motorcycle stable in various positions. A 6-position safety pin adds an extra layer of protection, ensuring the lift remains securely locked during use and reducing the risk of accidental drops. The lift also features an extra-wide 14.4 by 9-inch top platform, offering a generous contact area for better stability. A durable rubber pad with a striped pattern enhances grip, preventing the motorcycle from slipping and protecting it from scratches during lifting. When not in use, the scissor lift can be folded down to a compact height of just 3.7 inches, making storage and transport easy. Its powder-coated finish resists oil, grease, and rust, ensuring long-lasting performance and easy maintenance. Designed for both convenience and durability, this lift is a valuable addition to any motorcycle enthusiast's workspace. Finally, at number 1, we have the Orion Motorcycle Scissor Lift. The Orion Motorcycle Scissor Lift is a practical and dependable solution designed to simplify motorcycle maintenance. Built to handle a wide range of bikes, this lift supports up to 1,100 pounds, making it suitable for cruisers, dirt bikes, and other heavy motorcycles. Its ready-to-use design ensures that users can begin working on their bikes without complicated setup, making routine servicing more efficient and accessible. Lifting your motorcycle becomes a smooth and controlled process thanks to the included T-handle, which allows easy height adjustment. For added convenience, the lift can also be operated with a 3/8-inch socket and ratchet wrench. It raises motorcycles from a low profile of 3.7 inches up to 14.6 inches, providing a comfortable working height that reduces strain and improves precision during repairs. Stability is a key feature of this scissor lift. The wide 9.1 by 14.6 inch deck creates a secure platform that helps prevent tipping or shifting while the motorcycle is elevated. This added surface area enhances balance, giving users confidence when performing maintenance tasks. The rubber tabletop further improves grip, ensuring that the motorcycle remains firmly in place throughout the lifting process. Constructed from heavy-duty steel, the Orion lift is built for durability and long-term use. Its corrosion-resistant design helps maintain strength and appearance over time, even in demanding workshop environments. The plug welding and double crossbar structure reinforce the lift's integrity, delivering reliable performance with every use. Combining strength, stability, and ease of operation, the Orion Motorcycle Scissor Lift provides a dependable tool for maintaining motorcycles safely and efficiently. Don't miss out on these powerful tools. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Budget Buying for more helpful content. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.